Hello, my name is Joseph and I'm here to teach you how to use Office 365 to record a video of your presentation. Given the COVID-19 pandemic, the world has changed, how things are done are also changing. So more people will be comfortable attending trainings online rather than physically. So please pay attention and look at how it's done so that you can always record your videos while doing your presentation right from your PowerPoint in Microsoft Office 365. If you are using Microsoft Office 2016 and above, the same process applies. And please, will I appeal to you, or may I appeal to you, I beg your pardon, to click on the subscribe button so that you subscribe to our channel. As we upload videos, you will get notified and you will be able to watch our videos, because we are going to be posting videos on tutorials on using Microsoft Office suites and many other applications that we use from day to day. Thank you very much. So let's move into the tutorial proper. Now when you open your Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Office 365, this is how it looks. So depending on what you want to do, if you want to create a new PowerPoint presentation, you click on the new, but this tutorial assumes that you already have a PowerPoint you would want to work with, and in that case what you do is you click on open. So this dialog box opens for you to choose. Most of your recently used files are going to be on the dialog box just as it is showing here, and if you saved it in a particular location, you could also click on browse. Okay, clicking on browse opens this dialog box. So you scroll this way and locate where your document or your document is. If it's in the desktop, it is on my documents, this is where to locate it. Click on the folder and it opens for you here. Now when it opens here, if the file is in here, you simply double click on it to open. However, in my own case, I will still have to go into some folders. So I'm going to open this and I'm looking for my presentation. Okay, now this is what I want to present. I double click on it and the PowerPoint document will open. Do not mind what you're seeing on the screen. It all depends on where your document is saved. For me, I'm picking a document that is actually on my OneDrive. It is not available on this laptop, hence the reason why it is taking time to download. So my PowerPoint is opened. I want to go ahead and continue the tutorial. So for you to record a video, the first thing after your PowerPoint has opened is to click on the slideshow. Click on the slideshow tab here, and as you can see, if you're using Office 365 or Office 2016 and above, you should have your ribbon looking like mine. So what you do is you click on record slide. Once you click on record slide, you will see that the presentation will be opened and then your video will be showing at the bottom, similar to what I have. So you click on record here. At the top you can see a record button. So once you click on the record button, it gives you the countdown. At the end of the countdown, it starts recording. Now you are to continue to teach as each slide is on. So when you finish talking to your slide, you pause. What I mean by pause is you stop talking while you change to the next slide, just like this. So when the next slide comes up, you continue to talk to the slide. At any point you're going from one slide to the other, you need to ensure you're not talking, because at the point when it is moving from one slide to the other, the voice will not be captured. So I finished talking to this slide. This is another slide. So continue teaching. When I'm done talking to this slide, I click on the next. When I finish talking to this slide also, go to the next until I get to the end of my presentation. Now at the end of your presentation, what you need to do is to close this presentation mode. Please, there is a big X here. What this does is to permit you to clear the recording on a particular slide, assuming you've made a mistake. Okay, but when you are closing the presentation, you need to close on the one that is here, X here. So as you can see, I already have my recorded presentation. Now the next thing I would want to do is to click on File. In this case, I'm not clicking on Save, but I'm clicking on Export. So when you click on Export, you should have something similar to what I have. Then the next thing to do is to click Create a Video. So depending on what you want to use your videos for, you may need to change the settings here. For example, I'm using my own for an e-learning, so I think the HD, the full HD will be rather too big, so I will change it to HD 720 pixels, and then I will simply click on Record, Create Video. A dialog box will open asking me where I want to save it with the name. It is saving in MP4 format. If I want to change it to media, Windows Media Video, I could select from here, but it's advisable for you to leave it as MP4. So you click on Save. Now when you click on Save, please note that it's going to take some time to create your video. If you look at the bottom here, you will see where it reads Creating Video, Microsoft Office .mp4. That is the name of the file I am creating. So once it is saved, you will see that you have a video that you can play. Okay, now my video has been created. So if I want to open the video, I'll simply go to the location where I saved it. In my own case, I saved it on the downloads. So you can see my file is here, and I can now play it. At the end of the countdown, it starts recording. Now, so I hope you've been able to learn something. Thank you very much for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.